I'm just finishing browning off the braising steak for my beef casserole, and then into the hot pan I'm going to tip in a bag of chopped onions. And I just need to cook for a couple of minutes, and they're going to collect all of those lovely juices from the bottom of the pan. So the onions are beautifully golden, so I'm going to add our spices. I'm using a Hanout spice mix. It's a Moroccan blend with lots of different spices in there. It's going to give us loads of flavour. And just let that cook for a moment or two. And then we're going to put our steak back in. Any juices that I've collected in the bottom of the bowl, don't lose those. We need about a teaspoonful of clear honey. I've got some ready-to-eat prunes. I'm going to put about half of them in now and the rest later. And they're going to add sweetness and texture to our stew. And some water. Really, really easy. We're just going to bring that to the boil now. And just pop the lid on. And that needs to go into the oven now for about an hour and a half. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Now I'm just going to add the remaining prunes to our casserole and then pop the lid back on. Just leave a little gap so the sauce can thicken and the beef becomes really tender. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't dry out. It needs about an hour to an hour and a half. And when you're ready, serve with mash and greens. And for more delicious recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.